Ever feel like you're losing potential customers simply because they can't reach you fast enough? PushEngage's chat widgets fix that by letting visitors connect via the platforms they already use. Setup is a breeze. Just navigate to Settings, copy your code, and paste it into your header. Choose from the platforms your audience uses daily, like WhatsApp, Instagram, Messenger, TikTok, Discord, and many more. Make Widget yours. Match your brand with custom colors, styles, and smooth animations. Deploy smart triggers to catch users at the perfect moment, on scroll, exit, or specific pages. You can add multiple support agents to your widget, ensuring every inquiry is handled by the right person on your team. Finally, stop guessing what works. The built-in analytics dashboard shows you exactly which channels your customers prefer and allows you to track the performance of individual agents, giving you the data you need to optimize your support strategy. Drive more conversions today. Get started for free with PushEngage chat widgets.